Hello my friends, this is Mariana Crawford and this is another episode of Glam MC in the place to be. If you like makeup, just wait and see. These videos will teach you something. If you like it, thumbs up it, subscribe to my channel. If you like my stuff, I'll appreciate it greatly. Give it up. Okay, so I wanted to go over my favorites for this month, the things that I've been loving for March. And first thing that I wanted to show you guys is my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is still a favorite. This is my matte foundation that I always go to. I have been using a lot of the Marc Jacobs foundation. I like using this one in combination with this one. And I've also used this on its own with the Laura Mercier powder, and it looks really nice. I've done many videos with it. I did get this for free from Influencer to try it out, and I really like it a lot. For palettes, my favorite has been for a very long time the Jaclyn Hill palette, but because I have so many new things coming in, I tend to not use it as much. So I put this in my project pan, and this is what the palette looks like right now. And I'm going to be using this up this year. It's part of my project pan, so I've been using it a lot more. It's the perfect palette. It has a matte, it has colorful looks, you can do warm tone looks, cool tone looks, shimmery looks, matte. It has everything that you need in one palette. I love that palette. It's the best palette. So I also let's see, I recently purchased this one. This is my Ulta. This is the Persona palette. I've only used it twice and I really like it a lot. I can see what all the hype is about. I really like this one. It has some matte, it has shimmers. The colors are very neutral, very everyday type of shadows, but at the same time they're deep colors. You can do really deep colors or really light colors. The highlight shades up here. It's just a really beautiful palette. The blendability is great and I really like it a lot. The other palette that I've been enjoying this month is the BoxyCharm and Pure collaboration palette. This is beautiful. I did a look yesterday. I went out yesterday and I used this one in combination with my Alchemist palette. This one, the Alchemist by Kat Von D. I used the Sapphire. This holographic shade is beautiful on top of the blue that I put on. Oh my god, it's freaking gorgeous. It's awesome. This is a new palette that I bought this month, and I've been dying to try this out for a very long time. This is a unique product. I will list everything that I talk about down below. If you guys are interested in anything that I'm talking about, you can actually go to the magic links or the direct links to Unique from my friend Ashton Dodson down below, and you can purchase it there if you want, or just get information from it. The other item that I've been loving this month is the Pure Bronze. This one right here. This highlight is so beautiful and so pigmented and so blinding. I put it on here and on the center of my nose, and it just looks so beautiful. I love this one. I did get this in a BoxyCharm as well. It's a Pure Bronze and Brighten. Pure is really good. I mean, if you haven't tried anything from Pure, you should definitely try it out because it's really nice. For blush, for my contour and blush, I usually use always the Making Faces Beauty Book. This is the chapter 1 is my contour and bronze. I use this shade. This is my all-time favorite sculpting powder. It's a cool toned sculpting powder, and it's like my favorite. Of course, I've hit pan, and this is part of my project pan as well. I'm trying to use this up before I use my Shade and Light contour, because I bought this and I'm making myself use this first before I use the Shade and Light. So I'm using this one, and this is called the Bronze Desert Nights. Those are really beautiful. And for my blush, my favorite blush I'm using a lot of is this one. This is called Chador, and it's one of my all-time favorite blushes. So, okay, what was it? Oh, the setting spray that I use all the time now is this one. As you can see, I use a lot of it. I use it to wet my brushes for metallic shades, or I use it all over my face. when I feel like my face is dry or I just want to set my makeup, I do that. I usually use this to douse my beauty blender before I put foundation on, and instead of like rinsing my beauty blender under the water, I just spritz some Fix Plus all over the beauty blender and put my makeup on, my foundation on, and it works very well. This whole month I've been using the Halo Beauty. I'm almost done with it, and my skin has been looking very nice, and it's been giving me a lot of energy. So I'm really glad that I started using them. They're very good. They work. Let's see. For primer, the primer that I've been using this month a lot, that is still one of my favorites. I mean, it's been my favorite, but it's my favorite, is the Fenty Beauty Primer and the Coconut. I use this a lot. My Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer. It's a moisturizer and a primer, and I really like this a lot. So the setting spray that I've been using now, and this is part of my project pan, it's up to here right now. It's almost done. We have a little tiny bit left. This is the D-Slick Makeup Setting Spray Oil Control. I have oily skin, so this is really great at making my makeup stay on all day, all night without having that shiny effect. Today I didn't use it, of course. Look, I have some oiliness coming through. For mascara, I've been loving the big Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit. I use it every day, and I don't know, I just feel like it separates my lashes very nicely and it makes them look really long. I like that a lot. My favorite eyeliner is the Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D. It's in my project pan. I have 2 of them, and I'm using these up. So let's see. Favorite lipsticks, my Lippie sticks. I love these things. And I have a color for any occasion. I have the light pink, a little purple color, the red color, and this is like a fuchsia. Beautiful shades. And I have one that's brown too. I think it's in my purse. I used it today. And these 2 guys. I have my Pat McGrath, Sorry Not Sorry. It's a pink shade. And this one is the 35 milliliter, and this is the darker shade that I use, and I love them both. They're beautiful, and they're part of my project pan too. I need to use them more, and that's pretty much it for everything, for all my favorites right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.